Okay, this is Cedar Falls, part of Hocking Hills. Oh, it's about a mile and a half from Ash Cave. Pretty good size for the waterfall here. Oh, and up here, a lot of dogs in these parks. A lot of dogs. And kind of a big grotto here. Big horseshoe-shaped grotto. And you can see people are just going to have their feet in the river. And that water is just very refreshing. Not freezing, just very refreshing. Oh, let's say that waterfall is a good 50 feet. Hundreds of gallons a second there.